Welcome to Medscape Morning Report. Lifestyle change to prevent diabetes has proven to be a tough goal, but there's promising news. At a recent European diabetes meeting, the findings of a large multinational study were presented. More than 2,300 adults with prediabetes, aged 25 to 70, with an average BMI of 35, followed a 2-month intensive weight loss program with meal replacements. The participants who lost at least 8% of their body weight were then assigned for the next 3 years to a high-protein, low glycemic index diet, or a moderate-protein, moderate glycemic index diet. They were also randomized to moderate or high-intensity exercise. In the end, the type of maintenance intervention didn't matter. Only 4% of the entire group developed diabetes, and 22% no longer had prediabetes. The rapid initial weight loss averaged 24 pounds. The researchers noted that this was incredibly motivating for the participants. It put them in a positive frame of mind when they started the longer maintenance phase. This might very well be the secret to the success of the fast weight loss approach.